Alright guys, I am at a place called Sailor Park and I am going to be hiking a little bit of that trail there. Hoodlebug, I'm guessing is how you pronounce it. It's like it's a biking trail, hiking trail, whatever. Most people bike it, but I do more hiking than I do biking. So walk a little bit of this and see what we can come across. This trail was part of a railroad. It's 11.8 mile long trail. The Hoodlebug, it traveled the line until 1940. And it stopped operating in 1977, this rail line. So the 11.8 mile path is named for the propelled passenger coach that traveled the Indiana branch of the Pennsylvania Railroad between Blairsville and Indiana. Known by the nickname Hoodlebug, it traveled the line until 1940 and the railway ceased to operate in 1977. So a little bit about this trail anyways. I had to get on my other phone and see where I put that little piece of information. But before I came here, I kind of got on Google and I was just kind of like, you know, following the trail on Google a little ways. And I seen where there's it looks like an old bridge or something that's on the side of the trail next to the creek. So I want to try to find that. So we'll see what happens. Day out, not too hot, not too, just perfect temperature, perfect, nice breeze. It was only 58 degrees this morning. It's kind of chilly, actually. It felt like fall, but it's pretty nice now. I can't remember how far along this trail that old bridge was. I'm not sure what bridge it was or anything, but it's so thick. Like the weeds are so thick, I don't even know. I might not even be able to see it from the trail. You can see it from Google, but being actually here on the trail itself now and looking, that's some thickness. the old, right there's old, that might be what I seen. I don't know if that's the old railroad tracks right there. If that's the bridge I was seeing on Google, or well, how am I gonna get up on that? Oh, here we go. Here's a trail. So we'll go up the trail. Wow. This is really grown in. I'm on the bridge right now. Like, this is the bridge. Look how grown in this is. Here we go. Our river. And this is the old bridge, this is the old railroad track trestle that I was seeing from Google. And then there's the trail that the Hoodlebug Trail. Wow. I gotta be pretty careful. This is an old trestle. Big holes fall down through real easy. I'm not sure what highway that is. Wow, look at that. That's rough looking. So this is, I'm not sure what part of the Pennsylvania Railroad, but so I'm guessing this shut, I think what I say, it stopped operating in 1977. So this has been shut down since 1977. Wow. Water's beautiful. Nice. All right, so we're back down on the trail. We just walked the old train trestle. That's what I seen from the maps, so that's good. This is a beautiful trail. I'm glad I drove here. I bet you that section there is probably some good fishing. Wow. Like we're coming up alongside of a road now. Still hiking, still along this road here. I'm not sure what road this is. Not much traffic on it. Alright, so here's the trail. That's what we're close to, and 4.5 miles from Homer City, Floodway Park, 8 miles from Indiana Springs Road, 9 miles from Rose Street. Let's see where we came from. So far I walked 1.5 miles, Sailor Park, Blacklick. So 1.5 miles so far. So I'll go another little ways here and then head back. So I ain't got too much time, but I wanted to come out for a little bit. Alrighty guys, so that wraps up this hike. I'm back at the car now. So hope you enjoyed the little adventure, and I'll catch you on the next one.